Lipo Gummies have gained attention as a convenient supplement claiming to support weight loss by boosting metabolism, reducing cravings, and increasing energy levels. But do they really work, or is this just another scam? After consistent use, the results were somewhat noticeable. There was a slight improvement in energy levels throughout the day, making it easier to stay active, and a moderate reduction in appetite, which helped with portion control and snacking habits. While these gummies alone aren't a magic solution for shedding pounds, they seem to work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. The taste was pleasant, making them easy to take daily, and there were no major side effects experienced. However, results varied as significant weight loss wasn't observed without additional lifestyle changes. Some ingredients like apple cider vinegar and green tea extract are known for their metabolism-boosting properties, but their effectiveness in gummy form may not be as strong as in other supplement types. Overall, Lipo Gummies may provide a small boost in weight management efforts, but they shouldn't be relied on as the sole method for fat loss. Whether they work for you depends on your expectations and commitment to a healthy lifestyle, but they are definitely not a scam, just not a miracle product either.